different turbines here through this gun. This gun can be rotated and pointed at any of the turbines on the table. We have 7 different type of turbines here. Okay, some of them are horizontal, and for each turbine there is a voltmeter and ammeter. So it shows the amount of energy generated in each of these designs. And students can actually experiment and see how different wind turbines work using this exhibit. Okay, so some of them you see are classic designs, village type wind turbines, some modern designs, anemometer style design, vertical turbines, horizontal turbines, all type of turbines are shown here. You can see them working here with each one of the types tested.